Okay, so I'm gonna go to Roblox. Okay, she's online. Alright. Last time this, it shows up on here though. Let me show you. I'm gonna go to Roblox right there. On here I was on Minecraft. Let me show you. Okay. I'm gonna let it load first. It won't say that. And this is a Kindle. Amazon Kindle. I know I haven't made really any content on here, but it's not on here. Not like on like here. It's on Kindle. It's okay. It's okay. We don't have to worry about that. Okay. Nobody's on. I have no clue. Like, one this works, but the other one doesn't. I don't know, it's weird. I like tycoons. So, oh my gosh. That's a lot of tycoons. Okay. At least, I'm gonna get in here. Sorry, the two babies. Oh, excuse me. Okay. I know it won't have sound, but it's okay. Alex, you can just hear me. At least. Of course, that's good. But there's not gonna be any computer audio. That's good. Cause that's kind of copyright. I have Roblox. Not Roblox, but YouTube record. YouTube. Roblox. Facebook. And then the thing I'm recording on. It's okay if, you can just, like, exit out, then, like, put it back on there. And then, like, it will have audio, but, like, it'll have, like, sound. Like, where you talk. At least. It was, like, about 1 minute. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, you're nervous. What just happened? Okay. Stop. Okay. Okay, Red's over there. I haven't ever played this before. Is this mine? No. Wait, what? I have no clue, actually. Is this mine? No. There's no... Okay, here it is. So, I just hate when that happens. Okay. I've played like these on Roblox a lot. I mean, a lot. And plus, well, it's up on all like, who cares? I can hear the walking though. Ooh. Okay, that was loud. Ooh. Wow. That was really loud. This Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, my friend Alexia will be here, and we'll probably be playing Roblox on it most of the time, and maybe making videos. If you don't like Roblox, you're a hater. I just hate haters. Okay. I'm just going to do it anyways. 5K, oh my gosh. You know what? Excuse me. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Go back. Oh. Oh, is it? Okay. Blah, blah, blah. I'm just going to prove it. I don't know why. That always happens. It always says that. Most of the time. This is where I found Inquisitor Master. I was on her video like right around here. Right around there. And let me go to the video. I'm pretty sure it's about at 2 hours. Right here. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna try and like wait a second. Okay. Oh, there I am. Right here. Right there. I'm right there. That says Dana FNS79. And look. I have Robux now, but back then I didn't. Look. You can't even look. Like that day, I loved it. I knew that I was going to be in her live stream. First, I was watching it, then like a couple minutes later, like almost 3 minutes later, like 20-something minutes later, I got on there. I was watching it on my phone, and I was on my iPad. Wait, no. I was on my iPad, but I was actually watching it on my Kindle, and then I saw myself. And look. Right there. Shut up. I was talking up. So that's how you know. If you ever see this, make sure to go to 1.2650. Oh, okay. 1 hour, 26 minutes, and 57 seconds. Or can be before. If it says Fan Fitness 79, that's me. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see y'all guys and girls next time.